Welcome back, everybody. I'm on one said road. Don't know the name of this road, but I do know the creek runs over the road. You see that? They built the concrete part, so this flows. It flows over the road. Oh crap, that's a cool truck. I didn't see the grill, so I don't know if it's 67, 68, or if it's 69 through 72 C10. That was cool. That was cool. I'm gonna have to drive by again, super slow. I've been on this road one time before. You see all the little flowers? And I really enjoyed the road. I got some bees going on up there. So we're gonna do this road one more time. I'm literally just outside 10. I think Interstate 10 is just to the left of me. I had to fix my glasses there, people. And see, look at this. Water over road. Road closed when flashing. At least this one has like a creek banks. You know, hopefully I threw the garage door opener in the compartment and didn't leave it here because it's not there anymore. I pulled the Spider out of the garage, and she ordered some Amazon, and I took it in the garage, and I came back out and I hit the button. I'm pretty sure I threw it in there. Pretty sure. So that's what we're gonna go with. There's nothing I can do now. I mean, I'm not going back. Going for a ride, enjoying this beautiful. So apparently I need to say what the day is. It's March 6th. I thought it was the 3rd. It's the 6th. And the Spider's telling me it's 84 degrees. So there's some pluses to having this beautiful blue sky and 84 degrees in the beginning of March. There's some pretty flowers. I don't know what they are, but they're pretty. Crap, which way did I go last time? It's me thinking I sound like a horse. I think I went left. We'll go right. Yeah, it's cool that it's March right now, and I have hair itching my ear, something itching my ear, and it's so warm. But let's think about it, people. What's gonna happen in the summer? June, July, August. If it's 84. Yesterday was 90. 90. Yes. So, you know, if we're chilling at 84 now, I can only imagine what the summer's going to bring. Did anybody see this road? We'll just go down this road a bit. And I live off to the right. I don't even know what direction that is. To the right. And I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do Rever and see if I can't find some roads on Rever that's close by that I can ride. I mean, I'm literally, you have San Antonio. I'm like, I don't know, you saw it, 20 minutes from downtown San Antonio. I'm in San Antonio. We'll see. You know, I don't think I'm gonna have many roads where I'm out in the country like super quick, and that's perfectly fine. I don't have a problem riding for a half hour to get to decent roads. I just need to find them. And riding one day a week is not letting me find these roads. Maybe I did turn this way the last time. Look at that little baby house. The little baby house got a little baby house put onto it. So now it's a baby house. I love these entrances. Very cool. Very cool indeed. So I have a run coming up. I'm doing 5Ks. I'm not running really. I ran a little bit last time, and the time before that I'm still mainly walking. But that's not the point. I'm doing these 5Ks, and it's a whole bunch of us that are doing them. Mainly Debbie's friends that are doing them with her, and then all of a sudden I'm, in the picture. But one of them wants to go with me on the Spider. So it looks like this run that we're doing, I think next, it's in hill country. Yay, that's what I want to see. And Manuel might actually ride with me out to hill country, so that's cool. I can do that. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did. I came this way the last time. That's fine. I mean, I need to get to know these roads. I need to find that road. You get off work and you have an hour and you need a ride, like today, need a fix. I need to find that road. So there we go. We are east 2538, farm to market. And I thought, and Norm and anybody else in Texas could answer this, when I first came to Dallas was 25 plus years ago. I thought they were just farm roads, called farm roads, but now they say farm to market. Maybe I can Google that too. We'll see. If I remember, and if I don't edit, we'll see if they change. I am just having a wonderful time bouncing from side to side and not keeping this thing in the middle of the road. That's a dead end. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I came down this way. And then I turned left on another road. So I'll turn right on a road. If this one dead ends, we're going right. But yeah, it's super green. I mean, if you just took this picture right here, I could be anywhere. It's just super green. And springtime. It's crazy. So when I came down here in December, yes, December and January, I was down here. Some of the leaves, even though they were dead, the trees were fully leaved. They haven't fallen off yet. So some of these trees, they still have leaves. Holy moly, that was a ramp. They still have leaves on them, and I mean, they're dead, but they have new leaves. So you see, look at this tree, and it has all of its old leaves, and it has new leaves. It's like, wow. So, it just boggles my mind that it's in March and everything's in bloom and green and blue skies and short sleeves and wonderful, and it boggles my mind, people. Boggles my mind. And buggy, very, very buggy. And I don't have all of my stuff down here. I don't have my toolbox. I don't have anything out of the shed down here with me, and a couple things still left at the house, like my grandmother's old 1900s Singer sewing machine. That airplane's going super slow. It's just like hanging in the air. Hey, just going out for a fly. I get it. Just going out for a ride. See, coming down, landing somewhere. Hey, in that field, I don't know, maybe just out for a fly. So yeah, so I'm heading back in April. We're not gonna mention any dates yet. I'll be in Lancaster picking up the rest of my stuff and coming back down. We're gonna fly up together. It will be her parents' 65th wedding anniversary. Yay. So that is crazy exciting. And yeah, I'll be back. I'll be getting all my stuff and driving back in a U-Haul. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I turned left last time. And that took us up to this road, and on the bank I turned right. And we went and we saw that historical marking. It was a school. So we're gonna go right this time. South 775. Farm Road. Yeah, see, that one says Farm Road. So maybe the farm to markets are the ones right offside the highway. Makes sense. Farm to market. Hey, barbecue. I wish I could smell. I want some barbecue. I got my wallet with me. Barbecue. There we go. We're going to that town, whatever. Look, now these are red, and there's just a ton of stuff out here, people. All the little flowers. It's just amazing. And it's probably, I don't know, it's gonna take me a minute to get used to basically having no winter, letting it cool off and then get crazy hot again. We'll learn how to ride in the crazy hot because, I mean, we're at 86 degrees right now. And so my job is in the Eastern time zone. And I've never, we're going to say this quietly, I've never been informed if I have to come in at 8 o'clock Eastern time or 8 o'clock Central time. So I'm just going in at 7 Central time and getting off at 3:30, and that gives me some time to ride and clean and fix dinner and vacuum and ride Spider and walk and, you know, all the stuff. You know, I have to wake up a little bit early, but she wakes up really early, so it's not a thing. The old Spider here, because this is going to be what we're going to be calling this now, is the old Spider. The old Spider's doing good. I need to do a 25,000 mile review. I mean, so far I've had one issue and that's fixed, and it didn't cost me anything, so maybe I'll give it a good review. What kind of car do we have here? Is that like an old Chevy? No, it's an old Ford. Old Ford. What would that be, like a Galaxy line maybe? Look at that. Crops already 2 inches tall in the fields. March. And yes, we're looking into the sun. It happens. It's sunny. It's Texas, people. Okay, thank you. Look at this big old Chevy. Pulling farm equipment. I like that a lot. So I don't even know how long I've been rambling. It's definitely ramblings of a fat man in Texas. I'm gonna let everybody go. I'm gonna listen to some music and I'm just gonna ride because that's what I need right now. Oh, flashing. I don't even know what the speed limit is. Can anybody tell me what the speed limit is? Am I like have stuff falling off of me? That dude was definitely flashing. Let's see what's coming up down here. Oh, look at that. Look at that right there. I don't know what the speed limit is. Oh, look at that pretty field. Are those the Indian painted hoochie bobbers? I don't know. I don't know. They're red. Norm, what are those red flowers I see out there? You got Bluebonnects and the Indian red painted bristles, paintbrushes, something. 55. Speed limit's 55. And this is where we're going, that little town right there. Lavernia. That's how you pronounce that. So, I'm going to go to Lavernia, and you guys are going to give me a big old thumbs up because it was some pretty good ramblings today. Lots of rambling. So, please, give me a big old thumbs up. Stay safe, everybody. I'll see you down the road. I'm going to set the cruise so I can turn all this stuff off and get my music on. Let's do music first. And Cameron.